Okay, friends and subscribers of United Sites, greetings, good morning, good evening, good night, good at whatever time you guys were watching from, and hope we are okay. Hope everything is fine and okay with you guys. Today, this is another episode. It's actually a part B or part 2 of the current prices of material or building materials at the moment in Uganda, but you guys excuse me, hope we are doing fine and okay. If you find out that these videos are very much vital to you, or they've aided you in any way, because I know there are some of you who even watch these videos, but you guys don't go on to give us the businesses, but still, since the videos are somehow informative, sometimes I step into my YouTube studio, and when I check out into my YouTube studio, you could find that the shares are more than the likes. So, and think about it. You could think about it. How could someone share what is not vital? That means you can't share a video of 15 minutes, you can't share a video of 10 minutes, 20 minutes to a friend or to anybody if it is not important or it is not going to aid that person. That means that some of these videos on this channel, that is Jonate Sites channel, they are informative, but it's not bad to share, but also like, if in case you can like the video, because liking the video, it adds value to it. It shows the YouTube logarithm that this video is good. Let's forward it to or even other people. Yeah, otherwise, thank you for liking us, and thank you for being around, thank you for being part of this channel. Just know we can't take it for granted. For those of you abroad, please, greetings. Those of you in Japan, those of you in America, those of you in USA, those of you who are in Middle East countries, wherever you are on the surface of the earth, we love you, we respect you, and we honor you. Otherwise, much more to this, let me welcome the Holy Spirit to be part of this video, please. Lord Holy Spirit, it's my humble prayer that this video or the information that I'm going to air out, let it be vital to these people, let it help them both spiritually and physically, because when you are physically fit, at times, most of the times, you get more time to think about the spiritual realm or the spiritual things. So it's my humble prayer that the Holy Spirit, you guide me, let me not crack in the voices, let me not just crack and sound weird sounds in their ears. Otherwise, let's dive into this. As I've told you initially, that this is the second episode of the current prices of the building materials in Uganda. Second episode. The first episode, we shot it and you guys watched it, and when the video was ending, I told you check out for the second video, and this is the second video. Let's dive into it and start where we stopped, probably. That is it. Now let's go to sand. Probably with the sand, we are going to talk about the plaster sand. Let's go first with the plaster sand. Yes, it's what I've written first. Now with the plaster sand, we are seeing here, if you're buying an LF of plaster sand, you can get it at either 250,000 shillings or 300,000 shillings. Now forward trip or forward track of plaster sand, you can get it at either 350,000 shillings and 380,000 shillings. Guys, I'm speaking all this, I don't know whether you guys are picking, I don't know whether you guys are having your pens or you're writing down with your books. And since it's a video, you can do the replay and write down the digits and the amount, because it's really takes a lot of time editing these things and whatever and whatever. That's why I've told you when I was starting this video, that's why I did this stuff, so that what I'm talking about, you guys are seeing it and probably seeing it on my computer. So where have I stopped? I was talking about the LF, that is plaster sand. I've talked about the forward trap. I've talked about sorry, oh Jesus Christ, sorry, I was meant to, anyway, you guys are seeing it. I was meant to talk about the LF first of lake sand, that is the amount, and even the forward trip, it was of lake sand still, that is the amount. Yeah, so the LF of plaster sand, it is this amount, that is 130,000 shillings, and between 130,000 shillings and 180,000 shillings. The forward trip, that is of forward plaster sand, it is between 200k and 250k. So snow track, that is of plaster sand, yes, it is between 1.4 m and 1.6 millions. So when we talk about the snow track of lake sand, omusenyu gwenyanja, either rela or whatever, or kapeka or whatever, so long as it's lake sand, it is between 2.2 millions and 2.5 millions. That is a snow track. Wow, let's move on. Now we need the hoop iron. Now hoop iron helps us in a lot of things, but anyway, we'll talk about these things, we'll talk about these items and materials when you are airing out some projects, when we giving out the required materials of some projects, like, you know, building 3-bedroom house, 2-bedroom house, building whatever, because building all those structures, we need these materials. So we'll be able to explain them, but this time round, let us just scroll through, since we are just about what's taking place when it comes to the costs and prices of these materials. Yeah, hoop iron, probably the client needs 3 rolls, but 1 roll you can get it at 120k. The DPC, now the DPC, it is a damp-proof course member, that is that damp-proof course where there's that level that separates the substructure and the foundation, whereby we need that caveira, that is the damp-proof course. So only 1 roll, it is a 180k. Now let's talk about the iron bars, or let's talk about the steel bars, emitayimbwa. So Y10 to probably even when it comes to iron bars, we have different brands, as I talked about the cement. Since we have different brands, it's the same when it comes to iron bars. There are different brands on the market. We have roofings, we have steel and tubes, we have Yogi, we have Tembo, we have Primok, we have Tiang, that is the company from China. Different brands, but and I will not talk about the one which is best, the one which is worst, because people who are there who are watching this video might say that I'm failing some companies. But what you should know, there are different brands. Since there are different brands on the market, just know even they have their different disadvantages and advantages, you know. Now Y10 bars, that is Y10, one bar of Y10, it is at 28k, 28,000 shillings. Y12 bar, that is at the market or at the hardware price, you can get it at 48k. That is steel and tubes. Yeah, steel and tubes. Y16 bar, only one like this, you'll find it at 68k, 60-80k. That is at the hardware price. Now Why 20? Yes, you might say, who uses Y20? Those who are constructing fields, abazimbe bisawe, and even those who are constructing flats. There are sometimes when you need these things, because there's some project I've ever done last year, actually in December, and it was a very big project. Now the client told me that on top of what I was building, that the plan, they are expecting to add other 3 floors. I was like, I told the client, then we need to change the iron bars, because by then I had started the project, and I told them, no guys, we need to change the iron bars. This is not enough reinforcement to hold what you guys are talking about. Then they told me, it's okay, change it, because otherwise we can't change the plan, because that's the plan, it's already out, that's the plan. Then I told them, okay, let's change. So I had to go to the market and we buy Y20 iron bars. So probably we bought the one of roofing. That's why even you're seeing here I've written it is roofing, because that's the one I bought. It is 140. It's not supposed to be 100. It's not supposed to be one medium, whatever. It is only one bar like this. It's 140. That is for the roofing. Otherwise, as I've told you, there are different brands on the market. Probably even expect it either lower than that or higher than that, according to the brand of the iron bar. So we have the R7. These are the rings. Otherwise, R7s, these are the rings. These are the iron bars, which are the smallest when it comes to iron bars. Otherwise, R7, these are rings that we always rotate around the iron bars. These are the Y20, Y16 to make the skeletons of the columns. So probably one you can get it at 20. It is either between 20 and 24k. It is according to the brand, because even we have those R7s which are grooved on them. Yes. Now let's talk about the binding wires. Only one roll like this, you can find it at either 100k, between 100k and 120. Yes, k. Now hardcore 1 forward trip, you can find it at 350k, and a snow tracker you can find it at 1.6k and 1.7, around there. Otherwise, I don't know whether this is enough, and I don't know whether, yes, when it comes to construction, there's still quite a lot, but only this that I've given you guys, they're just enough for you to start the project from the foundation, at least to the what? At least to the, from the foundation, at least to where? From the foundation at least to the wall plate. Now let us go to the roofing part of this. I thought you guys had finished. I still have I still have to give you. A lot to give you. Let's just talk about the roofing part and the materials which are required and their prices probably at the market. Yes, because even me myself, I was wondering, this is not all that I was supposed to give out. Anyway, now let us go to the roofing part. Now when it comes to the roofing part, first of all, we shall need timber. Now this timber, they are of different sizes. Now being them being of different sizes, even the prices also differ according to their sizes. Now 6 by 2 inches, probably one like this you can find it at 9k or 9,000. Yes. 4 inches by 2 inches you can find it at 5.500, that is 5,500. 4 by 3 inches, you can find it on one piece like this at 9k. 3 by 2 inches, you can find it at 4k probably. Now iron sheets, now these iron sheets, only one piece of iron sheet like this, it is at 85k or 85,000. But this is the versatile type. Otherwise there are different types on the market. Now this iron sheet, it's according to the client's whatever client's taste. This is what she wanted. But we also even have super eco. Currently at the moment it is at 48k and 55k. Yes, 55k. It's between mitwalo mukanana and mitwalo ekitundu. Yes, around there. It is according to what you need at the market. Yes, probably there. Now the ridges gemigongo, these bridges help us so much when it comes to beautifying the roofing part of the structure. So probably one piece of a ridge, you can find it at 25k. Yes, this is still also according to the type of ridge that you need, because even there are those ridges which are 30k, which are 20 below than 25k. So it's according to the type of ridge that you need and the design of roofing that you want to take. So rubber washers, these are probably washers. We put them on the roofing nails. We put them on the roofing nails to avoid the holes in the iron sheets. Probably one socket like this, it's at 10k. Now the vary sheets, these are, how do they call them? Engogo, I think engogo, because the vary sheets, like they are there just to drive water away from the roof to the rain gutters. Yes, to the rain gutters. So vary sheets, they help us so much in that. Probably one like this, you find it at 25k. Now expanded laughing wares or expanded laughing metal, akatimba akengalama ketukubise engalama, one band like this, you'll find it at 40k or at 45k. It's between there, 40 and 45k. Yes. So hoop iron, we talked about hoop iron already, but since I've told you different sectors, they require the same materials, same terrain, same materials, because of their functions, the functionality of such a material. So we have the end corners. Now the end corners, these are closets of the ridges. No. Yes. These are closets, like they close the ridges, after roofing it, and these are the end corners that we put there. Probably one like this, you find it at 20k. Yes. Cement, we've already spoken about cement. Nails, we've spoken about them. Apart from the roofing nails, probably roofing nail, a kilogram, you find it at 6k. Wood preservative, a paraffin, all these, they have their functions. Otherwise, that is all when it comes to cost of material currently right now at the market. I won't thank you enough, and let me know whether I should continue doing videos in English. Guys, we are technical people, so when it comes to English, we might not be good, we might not be fluent, but just accept us the way we are and accept our work, because we are here to build the nation. Otherwise, that has been the cost of materials and even the prices. I will even do another video, probably these materials, just putting them in Uganda so that we can understand them better, for those of you who don't understand the technical terms of construction, the technical terms when it comes to the field of construction. So probably this has been Jonah, and even still Jonah sites when it comes to constructions. Let's link up into other videos. Expect more videos, probably behind the cameras, doing the whatever. If I could show you what I'm about to bring, let me see whether I can do this. I had my work here, because I don't need to take a lot of time for you guys. Let me hope my cursor will react very fast. Let's open this. This is one of my next projects that I'm about to upload, and please open, try to be faster. One of my next projects that I'm about to upload for you guys, and we are here to give you this. This is a 2-bedroom house. This is a 2-bedroom house. Let me rotate it like this so that you can see it better. Yes. This is a 2-bedroom house. Probably having 2 bedrooms. Master bedroom, you're seeing it there. Oh, you see it. Let me rotate it again. I think you can see it better when it is like this. Do it again. Let it look like this. Now if you could look at this, this is the entrance of the what? This is the entrance. This is the open lounge. This is the kitchen, and this is the back, the back veranda. This is the store. I don't know whether you guys are seeing. This is the master bedroom, and this is, you know, the passage that is joining between the first bedroom and even the master bedroom. So probably this bedroom, it can be either the visitors room or the children's room. You know, I told you it is a 2-bedroom house, probably self-contained, having the bathrooms inside. So this is an open bathroom that is used by the visitors visiting the place, even the children, this whatever. This master bedroom, this bathroom is connected to the master bedroom. So probably this is the next project that we are about to upload, the quotation of this, and even showing how it's running at the moment. So stick around and probably subscribe and even like this video. We'll be doing more and more and more. If I could show you, I have a lot of projects you guys to upload for you, and give this video a thumbs up, and let's link up to other videos.